Good day, sir. So today's video, I will be answering the activity 6 that you had given to us, which is linear regression. So here's the question, which is find the following dependent variable and dependent variable r squared regression model. If car age equals to 4.5 years, what is the annual maintenance cost? So as you can see, I already answer. So I only make an example so it will be understand. So in the dependent variable, I choose the annual maintenance, and in the independent variable is car age. So R. So to find the value of R is first we should answer this following data. So for example, equals sum the value of y, then enter, then equals sum the value of x, enter. To get this value, the formulation are just repeated, like I multiply it by self, then at the end find the summation. So for example, equals sum, then all the value, then enter. So in this side, just like in the y y2 equals value of x times by itself, then enter. So also the formulation are just repeated to get this value, and in the end get the summation, which is equals sum, then all the value, then enter. So in xy, so equals x times y, then enter. So that's it. Then at the end, again, get the summation, which is equals sum, then all the value, then enter. Now we are ready to find the value of r. So to find the value of r is the formulation are 12 times q for 1, which is the value of xy, the summation of xy, close parenthesis, minus open parenthesis, the value of x, which is 143, times n29, which is the value of y. Then 2 close parenthesis, divide square root 2 parenthesis, then 12 times q 041, 041, which is the summation of x2, minus m29, which is the value of x, which is 4935, then 2, then 2 open parenthesis, times 12 times p41, which is the value of the summation of y2, which is 2311, minus open parenthesis n29, which is the value of y, 143, then 2, then 3 close parenthesis. And then if you enter this, you will get the value of r, which is 0.9921. So to get the, let's move into the r squared. So the formula is equals the value of r, then two, then click enter. So we will have the value of r squared, which is 0.9843. Now let's move into the regression model. So to answer this question number 5 is we must first answer this following data. So y represent the car age and x represent the annual maintenance. So to get this to get this value 11.9167 is I'll I'll just use the formula equals average, then the given data of x, the value of x, then enter. So here's the answer. Also in the x, so get this value for 1.25, I'll just use the formula equals average, then drag all the value of x, then click enter to get this value, which is 411.25. Then in this side, to get this value, I'll just use the formula of equals 120 times, minus the average value of x, then click enter. So you will get the value negative 291.25. So to answer or to get this value, you the formula are just repeated. Also in this side, the formula are also the same in x. So equals the value of y minus the average value of y, then enter. So you will get the value negative 8.9167, which is this. To get this following value, the formulation are just repeated. So in this side, to get this value, you will I'll just use the formula of equals 120 times the value of this side, then enter. So to answer or to get this value, the formulation are just only repeated. Then at the end, you will just use the formulation of equals sum, then all the value, enter. So you will get, so you will have the value of 524.2. So in this side, I'll just use the formulation of equals times by itself, then enter. So to get this value, the formulation are just repeated, and then at the end, you will use the formula of equals sum, drag all the value, enter. So you will get the value of 1188587. Now let's move into this side, which is B1 is the value of 38.3187 and B0 is negative 45.38, then Y 529.399, which in this side. So now let's move into the number 6. If car age equals to 4.5 years, what is the annual maintenance cost? So to get this answer, the formulation that I use is equals B sub 1 times B sub 2, I mean plus, then times 4.5, then enter. So I will get the value of negative 165.9. So now I am done answering the activity that you had given to us, sir. So thank you.